Welcome to our life in the Philippines. Today we are doing a little walk in our backyard. As everybody knows, we live in the barangay Dao, which is on the north side of Dao Access Road, and the home site is on the south side. It does have, I think, approximately, I think it's 3 entrances, right?
To the home side, yes.
Yeah. And one is over by City Mall on the other side, and the other one is a little further up on Dao Access Road towards the NLEX highway. And in here also, right behind this building on our left here, is the entire bus terminal and everything that is there. So everything is very central in here. The little story with this one is that this is actually in here, is actually where we, when I moved here, we actually had our first apartment. Once we got engaged, I got an apartment down here in this area, and if we don't get burned out by the sun, we're taking you guys down there. Take a look at that.
We should be all right. It's overcast enough today.
Yeah, it's overcast. It's been extremely hot the last few days. I think we had 96 degrees here a couple of days ago, and it's been really
a lot of humidity
hot
too, which is.
Yeah, I guess you have a little hotel here called Bliss Hotel, right in the entrance here. I better get out of the way here.
This is access to the bus terminal.
Yeah, here's access into the bus terminal as well. Now we're coming down into the home site area. This I think could be called the main entrance. It's a busy road all the time. And it's Saturday morning today, so. Anyway, yeah, it goes as far as you can see, down that way, and it's pretty far in here, but we're gonna go down. Yeah, and you got the markets here and some sari stores. There's a couple of laundries down here too, and one of them is where we always have done and still am doing our laundry for you know, when we wash bed sheets and stuff.
Yes. You come down here.
Then we come down here. Yeah, you see the laundry services here.
Okay.
Yeah, top and wash.
Yes. Stop and wash.
Stop and wash, yeah. I'm blind, man. I can't see. And you got some barber shops in here.
More stores?
Yeah, busy street this morning for sure.
Hello. Oh, important place, the videoke rental.
Videoke rental. Yeah, I don't want any.
We got plenty with all the neighbors, huh?
Oh yeah, we got plenty of videoke. They love to sing, that's for sure.
The Philippines has a lot of talent. They love to sing and the dance, but in the neighborhoods, it's very difficult to find someone with that talent.
with talent. Yeah, it's
Yeah,
sometimes I'm telling my wife it's more screaming than singing.
Sometimes I've had my stomach hurt from listening to someone sing. It doesn't happen very often, but anyways.
Well,
God love them, they're happy people.
They're happy people. Friendly and happy.
Yes.
That's one of the reasons I like it here too. People are, they always interact with you. People, it's like you get interaction all the time, and it's really good.
Friendly, beautiful people.
Yeah, there's little sari stores everywhere here, and here's a little bigger one. I think the price of rice has come down a little bit. It started going way over 50 pesos a kilo, now it's down again. So
that's an interesting business. They had rice and they also had chicken feed.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Yeah, a combination of that. The sari store we just walked by here, I think Brian owns that one, and his wife, the guy called Philly in the Philippines.
Yes, yes.
You have seen his videos, right? He does a pretty good job. He's in, I think he's in Surigao right now, vacationing. I got some notice about his videos. What I normally do also when I do these videos, now I started doing it in Duke. You know, you can't walk through this in 10-15 minutes of a video.
Right.
So then I strap the helmet cam on and I just go
Around.
right, give people a view. Okay, so I can cover more area in 10 minutes there than I can cover in 2 hours walking, you know.
Now, this is an interesting thing.
What?
How the sewer lines work in the
Oh yeah, these are all open sewer lines. If you look down there to the left. But me as a kind of like a little electronic engineering capability, looking at what's above head up here is more interesting.
Yes, of course.
How do they know? How do they know what cable goes where? It's unbelievable. Look at it. You know, and when you get to the,
it reminds me of India.
And when you get to the pole up here, you know, where everything connects.
No wonder when you call a landline, you can't hear what you're saying.
Yeah, if they cut a landline, they cut a lot of stuff. You know, you can't really. That's the interesting part. Let's go down this way.
Okay.
And there's a reason why. This shows you. It's a little different style of housing here, but there is actually several foreigners living in here as well. And you know, most of the houses like this, right, where they put up these steel gates. It's nice and safe. During my 5 years here, I never felt unsafe or anything. It's always been. Oh yeah, there's a really nice building back here. Typical Filipina architecture. It looks good though. Asian style.
I don't know about the roosters in this country, but they sing at all hours.
Yeah. Yeah, they do.
They do.
Go ahead. That's the thing here. The streets are narrow, and Narrow and tight. And election going on, like I said, it's what do you call these things? Yeah, vice mayor, councilor. I think the election is in May, right? So there's yeah, I think it's in May sometime. This street down here, right? Couple of streets over. I think they're preparing for Holy Week now. You see all these flags hanging across and all that. So that's got to be the Holy Week. So this is the first neighborhood I ever, you know, when I came here, this is the first neighborhood I lived in.
Yes. Isn't it a decent house here like this?
Yeah, no, and
it's just older than
yeah, and this is the typical way to do it. You know, they put these gates up, and when you're in here, you feel pretty safe. I have never had a problem. 5 years, no issues whatsoever. Right, so it's just
one more block out?
yeah, you know, the London is the next one over. The London is the next one over, and it's a pretty nice neighborhood. I mean, it was really nice. Again, people here were friendly, interacting. So maybe we can't get by here.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, on the side there you can go, right? Okay. Yeah, I think so. It is part of the Holy Week. Part of the Holy Week. And this is bordering to Barangay Duokit as well. So, hey guys, how are you doing? Yeah, a little bit. I think they put up some more houses since I lived here 5 years ago.
I hear that in the Philippines they listen a lot to Mexican music. Like the one over there was from Mexico. A lot of Mexican artists are popular here.
Isn't that then, you think, a part of the Hispanic culture?
It's either that or it's because of the similarity between the melodies that they play here on the artists that developed them in Mexico. I mean,
right.
They like the Latino or whatever.
Right.
Rhythm, I suppose.
Yeah. And folks, we are wrapping this one up right now. We're going to go and have some lunch and maybe shoot another one later on this afternoon. You take care. God bless. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell.